Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Leilani Chanel and this is my first YouTube video. I am so excited to be starting this journey and I really appreciate you all for watching and supporting me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my styling reviving routine for curly hair. This is my 4-day hair. It looks really good, super defined, voluminous, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching and make sure you please subscribe and let's get into the video. Okay, so this is my 4-day hair. As you can see, it's very frizzy. It needs a lot of attention. My curls are just looking crazy. I look crazy right now. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys some of the products that I use to revive my hair. Again, this is after 4 days. It looks pretty good. So let's get into it. So the first thing I use, everyone should have this in their house. So it's just water. I would recommend getting a spray bottle. I feel like this disperses the water way better. So what I'll do is I just kind of spray everywhere. If you see me looking away, it's because I need to see myself. Yeah, so I just spray my hair until I see the frizz go away. And I just lift my hair so that it gets the layers underneath as well, because we need to show love to all of the hair. Ooh, oh my god, I got in my ear. Okay, so once you have your hair all damp, then you're gonna want to go in with a cream. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's just this one. I don't know if it's focusing, but I love this stuff. I use this on my wash day as well. It's like my holy grail. So I'll get maybe like just about like this much, and then what I do is I spray more water on it so it disperses the product more and it's easier to put through my hair. And then I'll just rub it in my hands and I'll just go through my hair and I'll do some scrunching. I kind of like rake and then scrunch, and I do that throughout my hair. I don't recommend putting a lot because you don't want your curls to feel heavy, and you don't want too much product in your hair. And then I'll take like a little bit more and I'm gonna get the inside. As you can see, like your curls are already like popping, or they should be. Mine are, especially underneath. I feel like a lot of my curls just look way better underneath, but yeah, it's like super moisturized now. Okay, so the next thing I do is I grab my water once again, and then I'll go through my hair, not as much as before, but kind of just do it real quick over, and then it'll kind of move all the excess around the rest of your hair so that everything is mixed in and there's no extra product sitting around. Okay, and then next what I do is I will flip my hair over and I just scrunch up. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, so this is my hair after I scrunched it. So far it's looking way more moisturized. It's looking super healthy and alive again. So then now I will go in with, I have this Superfoods Natural Gentle Fresh Press Watermelon Pineapple Pulp. It's a firm hold styling gel. It looks like this. And I'm gonna link all of the products that I used, even though it's not that many, but I'll link them down below. So I'll use this and then I'll put maybe like a good amount. I put about like that much, and then rub this in your hands. I don't wet it, and then I start at the top and I'll rake the top first, and then I'll rub my hands again with the extra, and I'll just scrunch it into my hair. I feel like the scrunching is super important because it kind of gives your hair that volume and it brings it all back. back to life and that bounce that you're looking for. Okay, so then after you're done putting your cream or the water, your cream, and the gel, I go back in with my water again. I'm telling you that this is like my secret to everything. I just keep putting product, or I put water, product, water, product, water, product, and then at the end I finish it off with more water. You can either put it in your hands. I do that sometimes, or I'll just spray it in my hair, but I think I'm gonna spray my hands first because it gets any extra product that you have, and I'll just put it through my hair. Anywhere that I see a little more frizzy still, I'll put it back there. And then after I do that, then I'll just quickly spray a little more. So after that, that's pretty much it. I just leave it at that. It's nice because your hair is still damp, so that once it dries, it will lift up and the bounce and volume will come back. So that concludes today's video. This was my curly hair reviving and styling routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys learned something new today. Let me know how you guys like this routine if you do end up trying it. I will link all the products that I use down below, and make sure you guys follow me on all of my socials. I will link them down below as well. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!